ningefanya. Kwa sababu gani? Stress ingekuwa imemaliza kabisa. Kwa sababu
yes. Yes, and so you realize like this is number 2. It's a black thread. And you see, this is one of the reasons as to why they're saying it's therapeutic, because it actually involves you a lot, and therefore.
I think he has done them before.
Yeah, she's very fast. Yes, okay.
The road, God gave me the first line.
So it's 400. Yes, just for the 40, then that is for the hand. And this one. Yes, just. So it's okay, just for the 40.